Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's me, Nimanambe. I'm here with another video. If you are new here, you are most welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, oh my goodness, guys, you are much loved by me, okay? I'm preparing pumpkin leaf soup. Yes, we call it yokvaru in Moshi. Yes, so guys, stick with me and see how I prepare my pumpkin leaf soup. Okay, here I have my pumpkin leaves. As you can see, they are looking fresh. Okay, I'm using this much of pumpkin leaves. Okay, and then I have some okra here, fresh okra. I also have some peanut butter here. Yes, I'll be adding peanut butter. Okay, and then I have my beef here, and I have my dried fish and some dawadawa. Yes, see that very nice dawadawa. You don't have to cook this soup without dawadawa. Okay, and then I have 3 cloves of garlic here, 3 cloves of garlic, and then a little of ginger. Okay, and I have my Maggi cube here. I have some fresh tomatoes, some salmon fish. Okay, some black pepper here, and some salt. Okay. All right, that's it. You have not seen pepper here because here in this house we don't take that much pepper. Okay, sometimes I do put just a little. Okay, so but for this soup I'm not going to be putting any pepper. Yes, of course I have my onion here. Have you seen that? Okay, so that's it. So let's get right into cooking this delicious soup. Okay guys, I'll start by steaming the meat. Okay, so I'll do that by blending some onions, garlic, and then some ginger together. That is what I'll use to start to steam the meat. Okay, so guys, that's it. Let's do that and blend it together. So guys, we begin by steaming the meat. So I'm going to do that by adding my blended onion, garlic, and ginger into the meat on medium heat. I'll also be adding some salt, black pepper, and a half Maggi cube seasoning, guys. So I will just give it a quick stir and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'll just add in some water and let it continue cooking. Yes, to make this meat nice and tender. So guys, let's prepare our veggies while the meat is cooking. This is how you cut pumpkin leaves. You don't need the stems, just cut it off and cut the leaves proper, just like I am doing. So I go ahead to cut my pumpkin leaves. You can cut it smaller or larger to your preference, but if you cut it smaller, it is cooking. Guys, see how greenish and beautiful it is, so attractive. So I'll just put that aside and go ahead to cut my okra. Guys, this okra is from my backyard garden. It feels so nice and wonderful eating something from my backyard garden. I feel so blessed, guys. Just getting this small amount of okra makes me so happy. So guys, I did wash my pumpkin leaves with salt. I just wash it with salt and then keep aside. So back to the meat steaming, I go ahead to add in some blended tomatoes, some salmon fish, some crushed dried fish, and then dawadawa. That's the locust beans. This is how it looks like. Together, the dried fish and the locust beans are adding all together into the meat. A little stir, just a quick stir, not too much. Then cover and let it continue cooking. This is how it looks like after it has been cooking for about 10 minutes. So I go ahead to add in some water, more water. Yes. So after that, I add in my pumpkin leaves and then my okra. You can add in some water and then allow to cook. Just cover it and then allow it to cook for about another 5 minutes. This is how it looks like. Guys, it's not yet done, but we are still in the process. Let it cook for another 5 minutes and then we go ahead to add in the peanut butter. Yes, this is the point where we add in the peanut butter and give it a quick stir. Let it all mix together and let it cook for some minutes. So guys, this is how it looks after it has been cooking for about 10 minutes. So I just go ahead to stir it and then crush in any lump that might have formed from the peanut butter. Yes, this is how we do it. And then add in some water. It depends how thick you want your soup to be, but I need to add in some water to make it a little lighter. Okay guys, it depends on how you want your soup to be. At this point, our soup is almost ready. You just have to taste for salt. If it is not enough, you add in some salt to taste. So guys, this soup is mostly taken with TZ. You can actually also take it with banku. It mostly goes with TZ though. And you can also enjoy it alone. It's such a nice soup that you can actually get satisfied when eating it alone. So guys, see how I'm going to enjoy my pumpkin leaf soup with hot tuwon zafi. Yes, hot TZ. You guys are all invited. I'm just going to get this down. Yes, it's just going down. It's going down well with my TZ. You guys are invited. Please guys, comment below where you are watching this from, and have you ever eaten pumpkin leaf soup before? Please comment below, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. Bye and stay blessed.